Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a quick look at what Jetson Orin Nano is and what flashing and booting mean and different ways you can set it up. So what exactly is Jetson? Jetson is a small computer from NVIDIA that's mainly used for AI, robotics, computer vision and other AI projects. So when you first get a Jetson or a Nano, it isn't ready to run projects right away because it doesn't have a memory card or a memory device to store the operating system. So initially you have to install an operating system for the Jetson to boot or to flash, because you can think of it like a phone or a laptop. When you first get a new device, you need the operating system needs to be installed. So there is three memory devices you can use to store the operating system. First is the SD card, second is the NVMe SSD. So NVMe SSD is on a higher level because it can store more amount of projects or things, and SSD card, it depends on how much GB card you use. So there are different methods to flash. First method is using SD card, and by using Balena Etcher. Balena Etcher is a tool from which you can flash. And the second method is SDK Manager. SDK Manager is the graphical interface and helps you give through installation process. But the main problem you might face with the SDK Manager process is that it can give a GUI error, which is because it needs a good environment for the setup. It cannot just be a straightforward setup. And the third method is CLI Flashing, which stands for command line interface, and in this method you use terminal commands to directly flash from the board from another computer. So here for this series I'll be mainly using CLI Flashing. I personally prefer this method because it gives more visibility into what's happening during the flashing process and can be helpful when troubleshooting problems. When I was setting up my own Jetson, I noticed many tutorials focused mainly on the successful setups process, but when an error occurs, it wasn't always easy to find clear explanations. So in this series, I'll not only go through the setup process, but I'll also cover common mistakes and errors and things to check before starting. So I'll be using these two terms in the future videos. There will be flashing and booting. So flashing means, if we don't talk in the technical terms, flashing means that to write something inside a card. You can write it inside the storing devices like NVMe SSD and SD card. And booting means to turning on Jetson when the memory card is ready with the operating system. So that is what you call booting. And you can see here, this is how SSD card looks, and there are different type of GBUs. So if you want a smaller GB, you can use a smaller GB, but for the future videos we'll be using 128 GB Extreme Pro card, which will be A2, because it makes less errors, because there will be heavy AI models or even medium models that will be installing in the future. So the higher the number of GB the SD card is, it solves more problem and it won't get stuck during flashing also. And this is how NVMe card looks like. So you basically attach it on behind the Jetson board, and the SSD card's a bit more takes a bit more size. So yeah, in the next video we'll be looking at everything you'll need for flashing the Jetson Orin Nano, including the hardware, files, tools and requirement needed for the setup process. That's for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.